Alright guys, Streetwise here, about to give you a special matchup today. I've got my hands on a 2023 Corvette C8 Stingray 3LT Z51 70th Anniversary Edition. And my homie is rocking the 2023 BMW M3 Competition. Ooh, the tires broke loose. Now both of these are stock, but I've never really seen these two cars go head to head. But thought it'd be interesting to see what happens. The M3 is flexing a twin-turbo 3-liter inline-6, putting out 503 horses and 479 torque. It weighs about 3,900 pounds. This C8 Stingray is powered by a 6.2-liter LT2 V8, no turbos, and puts out 495 horses and 470 torque. It weighs about 3,750 pounds, which makes it 150 pounds lighter than the M3. The Z51 Performance Package gives the C8 the performance exhaust, which adds 5 extra horses and a lot more noise. Still less than the M3 output, so let's see if it has an upper hand. Looks like he's about to do a flyby. Can't really have my window open because I got the camera hooked up, but that M3 exhaust sounds real nice. Oh, look at that M3 go, tearing up that asphalt. M3 does a great job putting down that power even though it doesn't have an X-Drive, and it's rear-wheel drive. But so does the C8. Fasten your seatbelts, we're about to get on the highway now and let you decide who takes the belt. Yo, these Camrys. Can't even make this shit up. Hold up, is that Subaru actually trying to crash the party? Sorry, Fort Banger Subby, not today. Can't get the pull here. Gotta give the subby some credit, I guess. We're in the middle of a heavyweight match. No time for a lightweight warm-up. Oh, did you catch that bit of turbo lag on the M3? Could be because of the rear-wheel drive. Yeah, that little bit of turbo lag on the M3 gives the C8 some time to pull ahead. Ooh, we pulling. This seems like a fair matchup for now. Let's see what happens if I leave it in a higher gear than it should be and give that M3 some room to flex those turbos. Yeah, not dropping that gear, allow those M3 turbos to kick in. Looks like I gotta be in second gear when we take off. I want to keep up with that M3. Turbos kick in, and that M3 starts to pull. This is a beast. Let's run that back one more time. Alright, here's my final verdict. If we went the distance, I think the M3 would probably overtake the C8 after we're well into the 3 digits and pull ahead just enough to win. But if that M3 had X-Drive, I think then it'd be a different situation. I think it might even pull on the C8 at the lower end. But when it comes to the sound, C8 wins all the way. Chevy nailed the exhaust with low soft limiter too. I personally love the C8. That's it for this matchup. Comment below which car you would snatch the keys to first. I'll be posting the full review like I did with the AMG video with poles, draggy, and all the action in the next video. Stay tuned and remember, stay wise and keep those engines revving.